Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix missing system partition in UEFI mode. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type DiskPart. Type list space, disk, star indicates under GPT, the partition type is UEFI. Type cell space, disk space, 0. Type list space, part. No system partition is available. Type create partition EFI. Type list space, part. System partition is created. Type cell space, part space, 1. Type format space, fs equal to FAT32. Type list space, part. Select your system partition. Type assign space letter equal to Z. Type exit. Type mkdir space, z colon /EFI. Type mkdir space, z colon /EFI /Microsoft. Type cd space, /d space, z colon /EFI /Microsoft. Type bootrec space, /fixboot. Find your Windows installation drive. In my case, Windows installation drive is C drive. Type boot space, C colon /Windows space, /ln-us space, /s space, z colon /f space, all. Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.